Hello and welcome, Happy New Year, fellow creators! It's the start of a new year, and that means it's time to keep those New Year resolutions. Thanks for joining me for the 15-day midway update of my journey tackling the Instagram challenge of Caricature Resolution 2025. You know, where you draw a celebrity caricature every day and challenge yourself to something new and different from your normal routine? But this is not just a resolution, it can be a testament to what your passion to creativity and expression can achieve. "15 days in, and each caricature teaches me something new. There are days when the likeness of the subject matter eludes me, and plenty of times when the lines just don't fall right. But that's the beauty of this challenge. It's not about perfection, it's about persistence. Each caricature challenge is a lesson in resilience and adaptation. Some caricatures feel like a victory lap, while others are downright ugly, as some of you have already pointed out, but each one adds to the mosaic of my growth. The physical and mental strength needed to keep this commitment going is just part of the process, especially with so many life distractions. It's just one of the many disciplines required to help mold you into someone who can turn all those struggles into art. And isn't that what creating art is supposed to be about? Now look at these digital creations. They're not just pixels on a digital canvas, they're a moment of breakthrough, each one a defining moment of personal growth. This is proof that if you keep showing up, if you dare to keep trying, you might surprise yourself. Every completed sketch and/or painting is a reminder that you are capable of more than you think. If your resolution feels like a mountain to climb, remember every step, every sketch, every painting is carving your path to greatness. Here's to the next 16 days in the month of January, to more laughter at those ugly ones, more love for what you do, and more of that magic that only you can create. So keep going, because every day you're not just drawing caricatures, you're drawing closer to a better version of yourself. Be sure to let me know in the comments below if you are participating, and if you are, reach out here and on Instagram so I can see your progress too. Thanks again for watching.